Inputs this with regards to the Pune Porsche horror case. This is CNN News 18 exclusive input. Now we are learning that there's been an underworld connection of the entire Agarwal family and of the accused that has now finally emerged. Vishal Agarwal's father allegedly gave a supari to Chota Rajan in a shootout case in Pune. The case was registered at Band Garden police station and was later even handed over to CBI. SB Agarwal, who is the accused's father, had sought anticipatory bail in this entire matter is what we are learning. Let's quickly go across to Vinaya Deshpande. Vinaya, could you share the details of this entire incident that had taken place in which the accused, his father, was alleged to have connections with Chota Rajan?
Well, absolutely. We have been able to access this exclusive document in which we are seeing that an alleged underworld connection has emerged in this very important case. Now, remember, there have been speculations and allegations against Vishal Agarwal from the day one, accusing the police of trying to shield the accused in this case. And it is with respect to this that this turns out to be an important piece of information that we are bringing to our audience. Now, these are the details about a supari that was given with respect to a corporator in Pune, and the case was registered with the Band Garden police station. And after the case was handed over to the CBI had found in its probe that supari was in fact given by S.K. Agarwal, who is the father of Vishal Agarwal. In fact, S.K. Agarwal had thereafter approached the Bombay High Court seeking anticipatory bail in this matter, and we are seeing that he was in fact granted that anticipatory bail. Through the investigation, it had emerged, and the CBI had said that this supari was given by S.K. Agarwal to Chota Rajan to bump off a particular corporator from Pune who Chota Rajan wanted actually to intervene in a business-related feud that the two brothers had. So this is the information that we are getting at present, that S.K. Agarwal, who is the father of Vishal Agarwal, who has already been shown arrested by the Pune police and who will be presented in front of the court today. His connection to Chota Rajan has emerged through the documents that we have been able to access. The probe was done by CBI after it was handed over by the Pune Band Garden and CID to
Vinaya, another interesting aspect that also surfaces in this entire case is that it was eventually handed over to the CBI after the Pune police, in fact, was incapable or rather failed to solve the case. The big question that arises is why was the Pune police failing to solve this case, and why did it have to be eventually handed over to the CBI?
Well, we have seen that the Pune police, which was probing the case, had in fact looked into the matter for quite some time, and it had failed to understand as to who was the mastermind, who had given the supari in this case. And after Chota Rajan's name had emerged, it was thereafter that, after the CID looked into the matter, the case was then handed over to the CBI. Now, it was through the probe that the CBI ascertained that this supari was given to Chota Rajan. In fact, Chota Rajan was also asked about it, and thereafter S.K. Agarwal's name had emerged in this probe, which the CBI had done. And thereafter, S.K. Agarwal had in fact approached the Bombay High Court seeking an anticipatory bail in this matter. This is the copy of FIR that we have been able to access with respect to the shootout that had happened in Pune. S.K. Agarwal had sought bail from the court, from the Bombay High Court in 2020. Thereafter, we are seeing that the matter is still being heard. Back to you.
Absolutely. Many thanks to you, Vinaya, for bringing in all those inputs. Remember, it was in November of 2009 when Ajay Bhosle, the corporator in Pune, was going for his election campaign, and back then bullets were fired at him, for which Chota Rajan was also accused of. And of course, after investigation by the CBI, it emerged that Vinay Agarwal's father had given supari to Chota Rajan to conduct that attack. And in fact, with that, we have